Enable or disable recent items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer in Windows 11. Managing recent files in Windows 11 is essential, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Let's walk through how you can enable or disable recent items in the Start menu, Jump Lists, and File Explorer using different tools. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why control recent items matters. Recent items help you quickly access files and folders, but in shared or enterprise systems, they can expose sensitive data or create unnecessary clutter. For IT admins, controlling this setting ensures privacy, consistency, and a smoother user experience. In regulated environments like healthcare and legal industries, disabling recent items can even be a compliance measure. How to manage recent items in Windows 11. There are 4 main methods to enable or disable recent items. First, the Settings app is the simplest option. Open Settings, select Personalization, then Start. From here, toggle whether recent files appear in Start, File Explorer, and Jump Lists. This method is ideal for personal use and non-technical users. Next, the Group Policy Editor gives admins centralized control across all user accounts. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Start Menu and Taskbar, and configure the Do Not Keep History of Recently Opened Documents policy. This option is best for IT professionals managing multiple systems in Pro, Enterprise, or Education editions of Windows 11. Meanwhile, the Registry Editor allows power users to create or modify the start_track docs D word under H key, Current, User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer, Advanced. Set its value to 1 to enable or 0 to disable. This method works even on Windows 11 Home editions and can be scripted for automation. Finally, PowerShell offers a scriptable option for automation. Using setItemProperty commands, admins can enable or disable recent item tracking, then restart Explorer for the changes to take effect. This is especially useful for bulk deployment, Intune integration, and login scripts. Additional considerations for IT admins. Disabling recent items also affects File Explorer's Quick Access section and Taskbar Jump Lists, but pinned items remain intact. Some apps, like Microsoft Office, keep their own file history regardless of system settings. Keep these details in mind to avoid user confusion and ensure smooth workflows. For more information, check out our official blog post on managing recent items in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.